everyone, my name is Vanessa. I am a descendant of biotechnology engineer at the Universidad Estatal de Malaria. Studying this semester in the subject of industrial microbiology course B1. Yogurt. Yogurt is one of the most ancient foods and the most consumed today. A resource of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus more than meal. This is the result of storing meal with primitive metals in warm climates and has come down in the history of human nutrition as traditional products. I'm sure you know that yogurt comes from meat, but have you know that bacteria are also key ingredients? Yes, they are, but don't worry about it because they are grass. You never recognize or say. That sounds good, right? They are good bacteria like Staphylococcus, Thermophilus, and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. But under refined conditions and temperature are responsible for the lazy fermentation and coagulation of meat, transforming the meal a new product like yogurt is. For centuries, the composition of yogurt was unknown until a Bulgarian scientist, Stephen Grigor, started an investigation in 1904. After 1 year, he identified essential bacteria that caused that fermentation of meal and its transformation into sugar. Also, the scientists Elaboration discovered that the lactobacillus transformed lactose into lactic acid, and that this acid conferred an hostile environment for pathogenic bacteria, having as a result that his process conferred beneficial qualities for him. He received in 1908 a Nobel Prize for his study on cellular immunity. Louis Pasteur, father of microbiology, developed one of the most important processes in the industrial area, facilitating the maximum possible elimination of pathogens that might contain some foods, avoiding the intoxication of consumers. So I'm going to share with you how to do a homemade yogurt. So I hope you enjoy this video. Materials: casserole, a strainer, a plastic container, a bowl, ice, supplies, 185 grams of natural yogurt, 50 grams of sugar, 60 grams of powdered milk, and 1 liter of milk. Let's do it. First step: filter the liter of milk to separate any impurities that may be present. Second step: the pasteurization process consists in give to the milk high temperature between 90 to 95 Celsius degrees to eliminate any microorganisms that are naturally present in the milk. Third step: then we add ice in a bowl to lower the temperature between 40 to 45 Celsius degrees, which is the perfect temperature to start the inoculation process. Fourth step: add the inoculum, 50 grams of sugar and the 50 grams of powdered milk. Wishing until smooth and everything is dissolved in the milk. The inoculum is natural yogurt because it has the two bacteria needed. These are Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Fifth step: pour the mixture into the plastic container. and close it tightly. Then transfer this container into a microbot or an oven, turning up for approximately 6 hours. During this time, the bacteria will multiply by starting the fermentation and coagulation of the milk until the yogurt is time. After 6 hours, we check the consistency of our yogurt. We stir our yogurt gently to see if the consistency is the ideal like this. Perfect. The yogurt is ready to serve and taste. Conclusion: yogurt is a dairy product obtained by bacterial fermentation of milk, where the bacteria interact with the lactose in the milk, transforming it into lactic acid, and this acid is gives the consistency and taste to yogurt. Bacteria ferment milk, besides making yogurt much more digestive, improving our intestinal flora, even suitable for lactose intolerant people. Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus bacteria are probiotics. Recommendation: a sterile environment is necessary for the evaluation of yogurt. In other words, to obtain a good yogurt, the aseptic used in the elaboration process is very important. Pasteuriz- Pasteurization is important because the process helps to eliminate any microorganisms not desired in the milk. It is important to let the milk ferment for 6 hours to obtain a suitable consistency and transform it into yogurt.